What's up guys? Hope you're doing well. Today we have a quick look into the Bitcoin cash price chart because since the last update we have some changes. You can see it right here. We have broken the upward trend line that we have established since the beginning of April. So right now, of course, we want to know if Bitcoin Cash is in danger, what levels to watch out for. So I would say let's get straight into this. As I've said, we have broken the upward trend that we have established since April. However, we are still in the bigger picture upward trend that we have established right here, with always higher highs, higher lows. You can see this right here. And even with this current drop, you can see right now we are not below this low right now. So even if we have broken the trend line, we have not broken the trend yet. Also, what we have to see is that on the smaller picture, we are establishing some sort of downward trend right here. Currently, we are in the middle of this. Let's zoom in a bit. So we can clearly see the downward trend right here. But as I said, it is in the smaller picture, and in the bigger picture, we are still in the upward trend. And what we want to see right now is that we get a shift in this downward trend right here with a break of structure. This would happen, let's imagine that this one right here would be the low. This would happen as soon as we are breaking above the high right here. Depending on the time window in which we are doing this, we will probably also go back up above the trend line that we have built right here. This would then of course be another bullish sign right here, and also the first thing that I would watch out for in case. Right now you can see we also have two trend lines right here. The one is the upward trend, the other one is the downward trend. Right now we are pretty much in the middle, so we are still above the downward trend, but we are below the upward trend. And just in case that we should move lower right now, break the downward trend line again, and maybe revisit the low, maybe even making a slightly lower low, as long as we are staying above this level right here, 500, let's round this number a bit, 515, as long as we are staying above this, the bigger picture upward trend, so basically everything that we have done in this time window right here is still intact. So as long as we are staying above this, everything on the bigger picture still is looking good. So right now we are waiting here for the smaller picture confirmation that we get some bullish strength back and also some bullish confirmation. And then likely we will go back here to revisit the recent high that we have made right here. And in case we are breaking above this high, and also very important, above this high right here, which is very close, this is just, so this is 635, this is 640. So if we are closing above 640, you know from the last video that I have showed you that then we are having our first bigger price target that is then also connected to a time target. You know, right now pure speculation, I just want to quickly bring that up. This would bring us above $1,000, 1,032. So then this would be very interesting. I also mentioned it, we have a lot of resistance then in this next price target. So therefore, let's not go too deep into speculation. First of all, we want to see a break of structure and a bullish confirmation here in the smaller picture. And you know that as soon as there are any changes to the upside, to the downside, I will upload a new video. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, in case you have any questions or any other cryptos that you want me to have a look at that are within the top 100, then feel free to post them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.